guys, welcome. Today, my name is Hassan and today I'll be making Nimbu Paani, Chatpata Nimbu Paani. So, first let's take a look at the ingredients. We need water, we need sugar, we need black salt, we need chaat masala, we need kali mirch powder, zira powder, salt and half a lemon. I'm just making a single glass, so I need half a lemon. So first what I'm going to do, I'll squeeze my lemon. Not too much lemon. If the lemon contains too much juice, then don't pour too much. I think this would be okay. And I'll put this lemon aside. Next, what I'll do, I'll take sugar, half teaspoon sugar. I'll pour half teaspoon sugar. This. I'll take chaat masala. I'll pour 1/4 at the, not on 1/4, but just at the tip of, because I'm adding too much chatpata masala, so just at the tip of your spoon or teaspoon you can add it. So this goes your chaat masala. Then 1/4 will also be okay. Then you need some black salt. Some black salt over here. I'll pour some of the black salt. And next what you need is normal white salt. So just at a tip white salt. Not too much salty, not too much sweet. Then very little kali mirch, not even 1/4. Very little, just pour it, not according to my spoon, but a little bit of kali mirch. That's it. And last is the zira powder. Not too much, a little bit. Now what we need to do is just to close all the things and just to mix it quite well till the sugar gets dissolved. So we're mixing it. Now after making this, after adding the water also, if you feel this is something a little less salty or a little less sweet, you can add sugar and or salt according to your taste. So here we have the sugar dissolved. I don't see any sugar. Now what I'll finally do, I have the chilled water over here. I'll add my chilled water. Oh, so chilled. I'll add this chilled water. This. And it is done. Chilled water goes back to its place. And finally mix all the ingredients. But one more thing which I do not have over here, but one more thing is the ice cubes. So I'll quickly get the ice cubes and then we're going to add in the ice cubes itself. Of ice cubes here, and I'll pour them into my glass. And finally mix all the ingredients. And now I am just, what should I say, I'm starving to drink this thing. And it's done. I'll taste this. Lemon juice, chilled, masalas, water, sugar taste. Amazing taste. Thank you for watching the video. Make this thing, be happy, enjoy, and this thing especially for summer.